question is, where can I purchase one of the single zone tools? Any one of
So
our
I think what
distributors?
he's talking about is for mini splits, and it's
Yes.
regarding the single zone service tool.
Single zone, which will work on multi-zones as well. But yes, if you're going to have one tool in your van and you work on a lot of GREE residential mini splits, it would be ideal to have one of these single zone testing tools in your van. I mean, you can hook it up and you can troubleshoot. Even Greg and I made a video on troubleshooting an E6 code with that tool. You can hook it up and you can get all the sensors from the outdoor and indoor read right there. You don't have to actually, unplug and ohm them out, and So,
So, but actually, what he was asking is where can he get it?
yeah,
That
you can
would
get
be
it in.
any GREE distributor.
So if you're having issues finding one, what I would do is go to our website, greecomfort.com, go to the contractor dropdown, find a GREE distributor, and punch in your area
Zip
code,
code. Yep.
zip code. Yeah, zip code, and then it'll give you possibilities.
Yep. So, and then our sister companies too, if you have any of them around you. So Baker, Jim Air, East Coast Metals, um, Temperature Equipment Company. There's Heating Cooling Supply in California. So there's a bunch of different distributors that you can get it through. Did I miss any, Craig?
No, I think that's about it. Maybe
Yeah.
TEC if you're up in Chicago.